Hey everyone, how are you doing today? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Statue of Liberty. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon Statue of Liberty, we're going to begin with the face. So I want to start right here, and we're just going to make a nice big smiley face shape for the head. Starting right here in the middle, let's make a line that comes down on this side, and then a line that comes down on this side. Right here along the top, I'm going to make a little sad face. Then right here, I'm going to make some wavy lines for the hair on each side. Right here, I'll make a little line that comes up on each side, and a little curved line for the top of her little crown. Then I'll make some pointed lines on each side for the spikes on her crown. So just going to put some little pointed lines on each one. Starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that come down for the neck and a little curved line here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up. And right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down, and it's going to go up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. And then we're going to make a little line that comes up here. Right here, we're going to make another little line that goes over and comes up. Starting here, I'm going to make a little oval shape for the hand. Then I want to make a line that goes up. It's going to come up higher and then down. Then we'll just draw the hair down. And we'll make a little line right here for part of the arm. Right here, I'm going to make this line come out a little farther. Then we'll draw a little oval shape for a thumb. And I'll make a taller oval shape for the hand. Make a little line that goes down and up. And a little skinny rectangle right on top of here. We'll make a line that comes back down. For our fire, we'll draw a line that goes up and down to a point, go up and down to a point, and another one goes up and then down. Starting here, we'll make a little line that goes across. We'll bring it down on each side and bring it across again. Then we'll make another line that comes across. A line that goes down on each side. And we'll bring this across. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down to the arm. Then I'll make a couple more little lines here. Make a couple little lines on this side. and a couple little lines coming up. Now for the face. I'm going to begin by making a circle over here for an eye. We'll leave some space and I'll make another circle over here. I'll add a little black dot inside each one. Make a little curved line for the nose. We'll make a straight line across. And we'll put a nice big smiley face on there. A little curved line for the tongue. We'll also put 2 lines up here for the eyebrows. And I'll draw a little curved line on each side for the ears. And right along the top of the crown, I'm going to make some little tiny sad faces that just go right around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Statue of Liberty. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.